So I think the campus is on like Washington Square Park area.
So you're right in the middle of a lot of things.
Yeah, right in the middle. So I'm
That's-
looking for work there now.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So I have 6 months to look for work and finish my. Look at this. He's like a pogo stick. Yeah.
Because he has a mirror in front of him, so it's like life
That
is
is
pretty
so
good.
Except I'm blocking the way.
I love doing that too.
He breaks in the bed.
Good stuff,
Hey,
my Josh.
Josh. Go, Josh.
Again.
You know where he does it in our house because we don't have a big mirror. Like he'll do it in front of the TV.
In his room?
No mirror in there.
Oh, okay.
Well,
It has to
no,
have a mirror.
He actually, his train room has a mirror, but he likes, for some reason, he likes doing it in front of his reflection in the TV.
Wow.
Do you like Cheap Trick,
That's how
Alvin?
he wakes up Tita Pati.
Do you ever like Cheap Trick? We saw Cheap